Rupert's tales continue with 4 new adventure stories in The Nature of Elements. Rupert the rabbit learns how courage, acceptance, compassion, and helping others are connected to the classical elements of air, fire, water, and earth. In The Courage to Fly, Grandmother Spinner teaches Rupert that knowledge is only the beginning of wisdom when she asks for his help with the bird who has fallen from the sky. Rupert discovers in Some Like It Hot that the element of fire is the realm of action and turning words into deeds. When Dylan the dolphin is stuck far from the sea in The Mystery of Lessons, Rupert receives a lesson in compassion when Grandmother Spinner asks for his help once more. And finally, Rupert is rewarded for his assistance in The Sounds of Earth when he helps Erik the earthworm finally get some sleep. Become a friend of Rupert by learning about the nature of elements.